Welcome to my video tutorials. Today I'd like to start from the basic theory of electrical circuits, which should be reminded to those who have forgotten some moments and respectively told to those who don't know these moments yet. Further, we will use these basic relationships, without which it will be very difficult to make a preliminary analysis in electric circuits and then calculate a particular electric circuit. Well, let's get started. First, the first basic law, or is it also called the rule, will be Kirchhoff's law, or is it also called Kirchhoff's current law, which states the sum of all currents following into a node equals to the sum of currents following out of the node. Or the sum of currents in node is zero. Let's imagine that we have an electrical circuit. In a certain section of the circuit, we meet a node in which we see the following distribution of currents. According to Kirchhoff's first law, we have the sum of all currents following into a node equals to the sum of currents following out of the node. This is the first Kirchhoff's law, or Kirchhoff's current law. Let's discuss another simple example. According to first Kirchhoff's law, we have the following. The sum of all currents in this node equals 0, and we know that the sum of all currents following into a node equals to the sum of current following out of the node. So this is the first Kirchhoff's law, or Kirchhoff's current law.